My name is Rafael Atu Kristiawan. My student number is 2411 420015. I want to make presentation about yesterday assessment about me and my favorite artwork. Introducing, my name is Rafael Atu Kristiawan. It is my full name. I was born and grew up in the city of Semarang. I was born on February 2 and in the year is 2002. And this year I am 20 years old. I am a first son of two brothers of my parents. My mother name is Ratna Akit Krisantantina and my father is Yohanes Tarmuji. I live in a simple and affluent family. I was raised in family that address to Christian and also make me devote Christian in worship according to the guidance and teachings of my parents. I attend kindergarten for 2 years. I attend in my 4-year-old. And I become elementary school for the 6 year. After that, I'm to junior high school for 3 years. Then I continued to vocation school and SMK for Semarang for 3 years before continuing my study at Universitas Negeri Semarang. I majored in multimedia while studying there, and thanks to encourage from my both parents, continued my study after graduating from SMK in 2020. Then I applied to Universitas Negeri Semarang using the SNMPTN. When I chose to the major in visual communication design, and I'm grateful because I was accepted there, and now I'm currently taking semester 4. This is a piece of the sort of information about myself. Talking about my favorite artwork, because I used to study at the vocational high school at SMK for Semarang, and I met and learn a lot from both a teacher and good friend there, so I am interested in design directly on my laptop. It make activities, it has been my hobby and my passion until now. And I know if could develop my potential there, I could look cooler. The thing I usually be design is directly computer software, are creating cartoon character shapes, digital development, creating vector work, designing and expression in WPAP style, combining and manipulation object in my Photoshop, poster, banner, and many more. Other of several things that I like, I more like interesting in WPAP. It is because this work is unique, because it is tries to make something realistic but does not use realistic method such as vector work, but use a blend of color and shape that must be put together first. Even the process is long, but in my opinion, the final result is this work is very satisfying because I can add to my pride. After all, I can find the face of certain idol of my face into good work. In the next presentation, I want presentation about WPAP. This is about what are your favorite art, and I chosen WPAP and the digital art. Okay, I will start with definition of art. Art is a core of many branches of which art also an expression of the human heart and thought that is made or creation as work. Art is not only used as a place of expression but also has a goal to achieve beauty that will be highlight that can be felt and enjoyed, heard, touched by the five senses of the connoisseur of the world. Herbert in the meaning of art 1931 state simply that art is attempt to create pleasant form. From the several branches there are fine art. This is art includes objects that we often use. Object in fine art as further divided into two more branches, namely pure art and applied art. Pure art is form of art that has function and purpose as decorate object and has no other meaning than to be displayed and enjoyed for its beauty. While applied art is form of art that can be applied or can be used for everyday human life. Terminologi WPAP. WPAP stand for Weda Pop Art Portrait, is a modern pop art style. WPAP was formerly known as FMB or Foto Marak Berkota. In English is can Popular Photo Book (PPB). Technically, WPAP has certain characteristics in the deposition of object, wherein WPAP you will find checkered and colorful field between field without losing the character of the object or model being drawn. In WPAP you will definitely not find curved areas. That's why WPAP has certain characteristics that make WPAP unique in technique. Equipment to make WPAP in digital. Digitally, in making WPAP work, you can use software installed on laptop or PC, and the software that you can usually use is Photoshop, CorelDRAW, or maybe you can use other vector processing software. This is image of the WPAP artwork. This is image for the regional WPAP community association. This is a creator of WPAP, Weda Abdul Rashid, and the artwork in his hand. This is a Spayung WPAP event held in Borobudur. Spayung WPAP is a yearly event. This is a event held by community in the Indonesia. This is a city landscape drawing in WPAP style. Now WPAP is not to make a face of idol of character. This can use to make the landmark drawing like that. WPAP is included in pure art. This is because the portrait work that are made can only be enjoyed for their beauty, either as digital work or to be printed for display. WPAP use the realist cubist style where his work use colorful square in make his work but still pay attention to the shapes of the human face so that it doesn't shift too far beside then it is developed. This style to make illustration can also be called Vedaism. Organization. The WPAP community in Indonesia is called the WPAP community. which is chaired by organizer Wida Abdul Rashid, which started as small community on Facebook, social media, and then spread dog Indonesian that on 20 and 18 along the 70,000 registered member. This WPAP community start an exhibition on September 27 in 2010 until October 7 2010, and on September 27 2010 it became WPAP anniversary. The WPAP community is make a new group in the color is Belajar WPAP. This group is share the tutorial who people want to make WPAP, or is share the information to people who don't know about WPAP. Then because the high interest of artists, communities and students as WPAPers in 2012, a community called HOW, House of WPAP, was formed which accommodate and led and often hold exhibition related of WPAP. That the motto of the community is "Let be no curve between us." The WPAP community is currently developing and distributing their work about such in Japan, Paris, India, and other countries, so that this community can develop better in the world. Basic technique. It is a basic technique from the CorelDRAW. It is the software in the laptop that I can use to make a WPAP in digital. In the first, you look for the portrait of a person of character that will be used in WPAP artwork. In number 2 is the important. It is then make filled line without forming a curve to form a face shape in such a way. If in the CorelDRAW, I usually use Bezier tool. If use Photoshop, I use a pen tool. In number 3, then after that give color in the edge area. Don't forget to look dark and light edge area from the desired face. In the fourth, coloring can use the application default color palette, reference or search the internet according to your favorite color and your needs. After the coloring process is complete, the last step is remove the outline the work created. In the last step, you can choose make a background to your work or not. History. Created in 1990 due to accidental factor, created because Wida has decreased vision in drawing realistic face illustrations. Wida experiment started from dots, line, box to create a WPAP drawing style that is easier to make and still easy recognized. Wida did not expect this work is popular become a famous today. In the 1990, Wida created a new way to draw face illustration. This is because he already 14-year old and his eyesight is started to decline to become more difficult to draw realistic and detailed face. The similarity of skin color, the smoothness of the scratch make it a challenge because Wida has to make shapes and color and make them and according to him to is a difficult. In the midst of the anxiety, he tried to tamper with a technique of making human face. He tried to illustrate his drawing with dots, line, square or flat plans, and from there Wida finally human drawing with field and the various color with later become popular as known as WPAP today. From the manual painting and drawing process, now WPAP is starting development to digital realm and growing day by day. Glossary. So this is my presentation. I hope you can more know about WPAP, and if you want to ask something more of the WPAP, you can search in Facebook Belajar WPAP or WPAP community. See you in next presentation. Bye bye.